Hi. In this video, we will quickly compare Systeme versus MailChimp. Unlike MailChimp, Systeme.io offers a variety of features and functions. It allows you to create effective and simple marketing campaigns. With Systeme, you can grow your business by providing a simple and effective way to reach out to more customers. Unlike MailChimp, Systeme's free plan is completely free. It does not require a credit card or transaction fees. If you're planning on using our unlimited plan, you can get more contacts than MailChimp's premium plan, which comes with 15,000. You don't need to spend a lot of money to build and host videos and courses with Systeme. Comparing Systeme.io and MailChimp. Unlike MailChimp, Systeme.io offers a variety of features and functions. It allows you to create effective and simple marketing campaigns. MailChimp does not allow affiliates. With Systeme.io, you can still rely on its support and features for your affiliates. With Systeme, you can send as many as you want, even on its free plan. MailChimp requires you to pay for support. With Systeme, you can still get the same level of support, even if you're not a paying customer. MailChimp and Systeme both provide email marketing capabilities, but Systeme offers a variety of other features and functions. Get your free account now. We make the process easier so that you can concentrate on growing your business. Free forever. No credit card required. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.